Subscribe, hit the bell notification, and you'll be tripping.
Hey everyone, Trippin Traci here. Today's trip brings us to Christmas, Florida. Fort Christmas, built in 1835, 3 miles north of this marker.
The fort tour is up next.
The permanent Christmas tree at Christmas, Florida is the symbol of love and goodwill, the Christmas spirit, every day in the year. They have a sleigh here, so you can take pictures. There's some kind of a trail back here that I was unaware of. Ooh, look at these pretty flowers. It looks like there used to be some kind of a sign here. You can see the doves at the top. There's a bunch of crosses back here. I've never seen this before. It's kind of spooky back here. What is that? Oh my gosh. I don't know. Oh, and here's a fountain. It looks like a fountain. And again, this is right off of 50. Tall crosses. Gloria in excelsis Deo. I'm probably saying that wrong, and it's Latin. I don't know. And it has a name on the bottom, says Jeanette. All right, we're gonna head over to Fort Christmas now and see if they're open. Hopefully they are. I was over here once previously, but I only went in a few buildings, and I wanted to come back and explore because it looks really neat. I love history. Let's go take a look in the visitor center and see what they have. We can put letters to Santa in here. These old dolls. This is really cute. Wow, look at all those tools. Here are the hours. It's 9 to 4, Tuesday through Sunday, and closed Monday and county holidays. The lady in the visitor center was very nice. She gave me this Fort Christmas Historical Park brochure. I need to use the bathroom. I have this pavilion here too. Now this is really from a time long ago. Oh, they have some animals over here. Hi. Leave that chicken alone. Hey, psh, psh, leave that chicken alone. Hey. I'm very concerned about this chicken. These other chickens are poking at it. Are they attacking? Hey, stop it! Hey, is anybody here? I can't help it. I'm really concerned about that chicken, so I'm gonna have to go find somebody and tell them what's going on. The gentleman that works here is gonna take a look at the chicken and make sure it's okay, so I feel better.
Birdhouses is strictly for the birds. Now, let's see, where was I?
I have some goats here too. He's in a little bed. He knows how to do it. He's comfortable. He's a sleepy goat. We have a butterfly garden here. No chickens allowed. You working hard today? Florida sugar cane. This is what they hooked the horse to grind the cane. So this must be where they made the syrup.
Pancakes! Pancakes!
No pancakes.
Oh, this is all about cattle ranching in this house. There's some saddles in this area over here in this little walkway. Lots of taxidermy in this room as well. Grandpa's toilet soap.
Grandpa's pine tar soap. Makes it smell like a campfire. Makes it smell like a lumberjack.
Wow, look at that. It's branded. This is the Woods house, circa 1927. Over here in the corner, we have an old refrigerator and freezer, and I didn't realize that until I looked at the top over here. Women's Home Companion, Grace Moore's own story. That is odd. Have you ever seen anything like this on a wall? But those horns. Here's the bedroom. Has a net on the bed, which I understand totally, being from Florida. I'm assuming that's a Bible. Yes, it is. Another old sewing machine here. It's a Singer. Beautiful. Some quilts. Oh, and they have a dress here for the lady of the house. Look at that beautiful old chest. I think we missed this house over here. Oh, can't go in here. Ooh, spooky. It's dark up here too. And then the kitchen is in the back. Old stove. This is the hunting, fishing, and trapping exhibit. What you up to? Are you hungry? And they have a covered place over here on the side of the building where they keep a wagon. This place is really big. They also have an RV park here, and I'm gonna go by. It looks like a pretty nice RV park. We have some skulls here on the side. I wonder if this is where they did something with animals. This is where they smoke their meat. When you smoke meat, it lasts for several months. The textile equipment exhibit. I highly recommend coming here for anyone that's in the Orlando area and they enjoy history. They have some old tractors in here. We finally made it to the fort, so let's go ahead and head in. This reconstruction by Orange County Parks and Recreation was dedicated in December 17, 1977. Powder magazine. Should the powder explode, the energy from the blast would be sent mostly upward into the air, not outward, destroying the fort and causing injury to the soldiers. This is the storehouse, used for storing army rations and supplies. These are blockhouses. These were used as a last resort if the fort was overtaken. Beautiful. These are coins of the Fort Christmas era. These are found arrowheads. It's a stone rolling pin. For the Seminole, the most common emblem is the alligator. There's a Seminole alligator wrestler. These beautiful beads, shell beads. That concludes our tour of Fort Christmas and the other historic buildings. I really enjoyed my trip here. I was here a good amount of time. I would say maybe 2.5 hours. Thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again and stay trippy.